Hi, I wanted to answer your question about how to use the inverse sine, inverse cosine, or inverse tangent. I'm not sure what your calculator is. I think you're referring to the Gradpoint Calculator, so I'll show you here. There's a really good website called Math is Fun. So if you're looking for some simple graphics and simple explanations for all kinds of math concepts, this is a good site. So I just figured it would be easier than trying to get to on Gradpoint. So I'm using an example from here. So in this example, we're looking to find the angle of x given these two sides, and we notice that we've got an opposite and adjacent, so therefore we can use tangent to come up with the ratio, right? We've got opposite, which is 300, over adjacent, which is 400. Divide that, and it comes to 7,500, so 0.75. So we have that, but what we don't have, we have the tangent of x, but what we need is the actual angle. So we use this tangent, plug it in as the inverse tangent here to get the angle in degrees, which is 36.9. So using the calculator, and we're going to use this information that was in that example. So with the Gradpoint, you'll notice that the sine, cosine, and tangent right here is not in bold till I click inverse. And you'll see now it's in bold. So I click on the button, one of the buttons down here. So now I'm doing inverse tangent. So tangent, inverse tangent. Inside the parentheses, I put in the numbers. And I'm using, again, information from this problem. And just click equal, and you'll see you get 36 point all these numbers. So in this problem, they rounded to the 10th, so we have 36.9. And I'll just show you another example, so just to remind you. So I click clear, and you'll see again, these are not in bold. I click inverse. Let's say this time I have the sine, and I need to figure out the angle using the inverse sine. So, I don't know, let's say those numbers. Equal, and that gives me the angle of 38 point all these numbers. So if it says to round to the nearest tenth, we would, the nearest whole would be 39. So hopefully that helps answer your question. If you have any more questions, let me know.